What if I told you that Google has a new free AI video generator that can create unlimited AI videos? And honestly, it is even better than Grok. Watch this video first.
I tried the Google AI video tool nobody is talking about, and the result shocked me. Really? Was it actually that good? Yes. It created a stunning video in minutes, and I didn't pay anything. Oh, that sounds amazing. I need to test it today. I just found a Google AI tool that creates videos for free, and the results are amazing. Wait, for free? Are you serious right now?
Too good to be real, right? So in the video I posted, some of my amazing subscribers requested that I create a dialogue video for them. Then I discovered this Google AI tool that nobody is talking about, and I decided to share. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to use it on your phone to create AI dialogue videos for free, and you can generate as many videos as you want. If you're a content creator, a storyteller, or someone trying to grow online with AI videos, this video is for you. Let me show you step by step how it works right from your phone. The first thing you need to do is to get your image ready. You can generate your image with ChatGPT, Gemini, or Google Flow. Once that is ready, open your Chrome browser and search for Google Vids. Then click on this one that says Google Vids AI powered video creator and editor. And this will take you to the Google Vid homepage. Now, once the page opens, click on the sign in to Vids and log in using your Google account. Now, because you're using a phone, you might see a message saying, want to create a video? Go to vidsgoogle.com on a computer. But don't worry, to quickly fix that, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your browser and turn on desktop site. Once you do that, the full Vids interface will open, and this is where the magic begins. Now you need to choose the type of video format you want. If you're creating YouTube long videos, choose landscape. Or if you want to create YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, or Facebook reels, then choose portrait. Choose the one that fits the kind of content you want to create. Now moving on, Google Vids comes with so many amazing AI features. For example, you can create AI videos using VEO 3.1 with either text to video or image to video. Just type your prompt and your video will be generated in minutes. You can also turn your presentations into videos. You can use it to record yourself, and you can as well record your screen or both. You can also upload media from Google Drive or your device. You can also create storyboards, and yes, you can use all those features for free. That's what makes this tool so powerful. Now, for this tutorial, I will click on VEO 3.1 because that's what we'll use to generate our video. Now, once you click on it, you will see this workspace. Now, click on this thing here, select animate an image. Click here to add your image. So, this is me going through my gallery to select image I generated with ChatGPT. Okay. Now, after uploading the image, type or paste your prompt in the prompt box here. You can type whatever action or dialogue you want your image to say or do. Okay. For example, I just say two beautiful 3D animated women are sitting in a cozy living room having an excited conversation. The pink sweater lady says, I just found a Google AI tool that creates videos for free, blah, blah, blah. And after that, click on generate, and the video will start generating. So one thing I love about this Google Vid is that it generates videos really fast. It doesn't take much time, unlike other AI video tools I've tried so far. Once your video is ready, click insert to add it to your workspace. Now, if the screen looks zoomed out like this, do not panic. Just use your fingers to zoom in. then scroll to the right and double tap this arrow icon to bring you back to your workspace. Alright, let's play our video and see the result.
I just found a Google AI tool that creates videos for free, and the results are amazing. Wait, for free? Are you serious right now?
Wow, have you liked this video yet? Have you? Okay, to quickly download this video, click on this thing at the top, then choose download as MP4, and your AI video will be saved to your device. Alright, let me show you how to extend your video length, how to generate a longer video, but this time I will do it in portrait format. So I'm going to add my image, add my prompt, then click on generate, and boom, the video is ready. Let's preview it.
I tried the Google AI video tool nobody is talking about, and the result shocked me. Really? Was it actually that good?
Now, if you look down here, you can see that I've generated up to 13 seconds video. Now, let's say that you have 5 scenes to generate. You can just tap this plus sign beside here, then choose animate an image again, upload your second image, then paste the continuation of your dialogue and click on generate. And that's it. Your second video will be added to the same timeline.
Yes, it created a stunning video in minutes, and I didn't pay anything. Oh, that sounds amazing. I need to test it today.
This means you can build long AI videos scene by scene, all inside one project. And that's another reason this platform is so powerful. Alright, you can also create videos without uploading any image here. Just go back and select create from scratch. I'll also choose portrait format. Then type in your prompt directly into this prompt box. Click on generate, then wait for a few minutes and your video will be ready.
Crazy dog.
Simple, and every video comes out so smooth and clean. The quality is top notch. Honestly, this tool is a game changer for me. I know a lot of people may ask, is this really free? And the short answer is yes. The tool is 100% free to use. The free version allows you to generate as many videos as you want. Now, another thing is that this app generates video with watermark because it's a free tool. So all you need to do is to remove it with watermark remover app or crop it out during editing. And that's how to use Google Vids free AI video generator to create high quality talking videos. These two can save you time, money, and effort, especially if you create content regularly. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I share free AI tools and AI tutorials that can seriously improve your content creation process. And if you want me to show you how to create full AI talking story videos with these two, comment below part 2 and I will make that video next. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.